Hey everybody, welcome to week 4. This week we're going to be doing things a little bit different. We're going to take some time to really look at what we've done up until this point, and then we're going to go through some dry runs to make sure things are where we want them. The past 3 weeks we've set the foundation as we move forward for your various projects. So we want to make sure that we're in the right place, that everybody has that solid foundation as they move forward. The original research group, what we're going to do this week is you are going to take a look at that CPHS application. I need you to take the feedback that I give you and make all of the necessary changes. I should have feedback to you by tomorrow evening, so make sure you're looking out for that. We need to update your applications, get all of the appendices correct, and then that way we can submit to CPHS in hopes that you are approved. As we do this week, remember that these applications, you can't change them once they're submitted. Otherwise, we have to go through the process all over again. So make sure it's reflective of the research project that you intend on doing, because after this, we can't make any changes. So it's kind of a big deal this week to go through it with a fine-tooth comb and make sure you're ready to go. For the evidence-based practice group and my CAT group, this week we'll be looking at search strategies. And what we'll do is we'll take the search terms and the clinical questions you've developed and some of those learning objectives for my EBP group. And I want you guys to go to the literature and make sure that either your search terms and your search strategy yields the appropriate amount of results, so that your search terms aren't giving you, too many and you have over 10,000 results that you have to sift through, or you find that your search terms are giving you too few and you need to broaden your question. So this week is really a pilot of your search strategy to make sure you're on track. For you as well, this week is your opportunity to make some of those adjustments as we move forward, because if you find out in the next couple weeks, like, oh no, I need to change my PICO question, we're going to have to go back and redo some things. So for everybody this week, I really want you guys to take the time to be reflective, to pilot everything you've done so far and make sure you feel like you're on the right track. As always, if you have questions or if you want to have a conference call, I'm available. We can set up a time. I'd love to talk to you, and we'll go from there. Have a great week, everybody, and I'll see you soon.